So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the star icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And so right here, you want to search for the Filipino Plus network. And here on Filipino Plus, you want to click on it. So then you want to add this Filipino Plus to the membership by paying for 19 bucks per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. Just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you book the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Filipino. And here on the Filipino Plus, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down and you can see the TFC or the Filipino Channel, and you can start to watch the live session and also the upcoming live session. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch TFC on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.